For my next video, I'd like to do one on an enhancement through Good Lock, and this is how to show your network speeds up and down. I believe it's both. We're going to go over that though, and I'll show you how to be able to view that. So if you look on the very top of my screen, you can see 0.37K per second and then 0K per second. I'm not using the internet. So this is a really neat ability, and you can download third-party apps to do this, but with this is an actual Samsung made app. It's not a third party. It's a third app that technically, but it's not. It's made by Samsung, so it works real well with all the other add-ons, plugins, for want of a better word, that Samsung's made. So the app again is called Good Lock. I've done many videos on this app, and you get it on the Google App Store, not the Google Play Store. I'm sorry, the Samsung Store, not the Google Play Store. So you get it on this red icon right here, and you get it, and there's Good Lock. And then on Good Lock, there's a plugin called QuickStar, which is right here. And we'll go ahead and put play on that. And if we turn it off, you'll see that a couple things turn off. So let's turn it on. And what I have, a little bit, of course, of pre-info. I have the Samsung S26 Ultra with One UI 9 Beta 3 running. This works on One UI 8, One UI 9, One UI 8.5. So this works on a lot of the different One UIs. So it's not just something that it only works on just the new phone. So we'll work on some of the other ones as well. So with that said, let's go ahead. You want to install it, go to QuickStar, and then, okay, I had to hit pause there for a second. The one that we're interested in is visibility of indicator icons. So all these icons are visible at the top. So for example, let's just pick one that we don't want to see, for example. So say, okay, look up at the right corner, you'll see 72. I can turn that off, okay, if I don't want to see it. My Wi-Fi, I can turn that off if I don't want to see it. So all these are editable, for want of a better word than that. They're all editable. You can change them all, how's that, through this setting. So show network information on idle, lock screen, show the network information of the key guard, expanded panel, network speed. So here's the one. So right now we're at 0.76K per second, 0.12K, and I can turn that off. So now you're probably wondering, well, what good is that? What's that mean to me? What it means is you can have the speed of the network, and you can see it in your notification. So if you're wondering, well, why am I running so slow? You can see how slow or fast your internet actually is. So we're at 0.2K right now. Let's actually get out, and I use this as my internet tester. So let's, we're at 28K. Let's hit go, and this should go into the megs. There we go, 5.95 meg per second, 3 megs, 1 meg. So now it'll change speed as you get faster or slower. And I want to see if this works. Let's see here, 135 meg. So this also works on uploads. So I'm uploading right now. I don't know how you differentiate the two between the upload to the download, but there we got a download speed. So it's pretty neat. It tells you basically everything you need to know about your internet and the speed, etc. So I strongly suggest to download that, keep that on, and then you'll always be able to tell your network speed and why your phone isn't running fast or slow or what the case may be. It's telling you now what's going on. Okay, so I hope you found this video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.